Hello friends, hope you are enjoying my videos and are trying out some of my recipes. Please do share in the comment section what you have tried out. I'll be glad to hear from you all. And those of you who are new to the channel, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notifications. Now today's recipe is going to be from Udipi region of Karnataka. This is a breakfast recipe. It's called Undi, or in Tulu language they call it Pundi Gatti. These are rice flour dumplings. They are steamed, so they are very healthy. They are served usually with a spicy chutney and also some jaggery syrup, I think, to balance the flavors. So let's go and make this today in a traditional way. Usually these days, some people try the easy way out. They make them with semolina or idli rava. But no, I'll follow the traditional way. I'm showing you how we make it traditionally. First we have to soak the rice, grind it, then cook it, make the dumplings and steam them. It's very interesting and it's a very healthy recipe. I hope you'll like it and give it a try also. Let's go and make. Take 1 cup of rice, wash it well and soak it with water, at least for 1 hour. Oil 2 to 3 tablespoons. 3 tablespoons of grated coconut. You can add more if you like. Few curry leaves. Salt to taste. 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. 2 teaspoons urad dal, split urad dal, 1/4 teaspoon of methi seeds and 2-3 pinches of Asafoetida. Now drain the water from the rice. Grind it in a mixie without adding any water, just the rice, until it reaches a coarse texture like thick rava. Don't over grind the rice, it has to be grainy. Now we can remove it in a bowl, set it aside. When we are ready to prepare the undis, transfer this ground rice into a larger bowl. Add salt to taste. Add the grated coconut. Usually more coconut is added, but I prefer 3 tablespoons is quite sufficient actually. Makes it oily otherwise. Now measure and add 2 cups of water. Stir everything together. Check for the salt. Now in a thick bottom pan, heat some oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Reduce the flame and add the Asafoetida. This is optional actually. Asafoetida can be skipped if you want. Now add the urad dal. Add the methi seeds, followed by mustard seeds. Reduce the flame and stir until they are crackled. Now add the curry leaves. Chop them into small pieces, it's better. Stir everything until it reaches golden brown color. Now add half cup of water. To get the perfect consistency, you have to measure the water. Earlier we added 2 cups and now we added half cup here. Add little salt, very little, carefully, because we have already added salt to the other mixture also. Once the water starts boiling, give a good stir to this mixture, as the rice would have been settled at the bottom. Add it to the pan. Using a spatula, keep stirring this mixture. Check the salt and add if required. Keep stirring continuously. Here we have to adjust the flame high, low, in between, and cook this mixture. It's getting little thicker now, you can see it. Continue to stir until it reaches the consistency of upma. You can again check for the salt, because once it becomes thick you cannot add any salt. Stir it, keep stirring until it starts leaving the sides. Now it's become almost thick like upma. Now it's almost done. Transfer it into a bowl for cooling. Allow it to cool for 10 to 15 minutes until you are able to handle it. Now, taking a little portion about lemon size in your hand, you don't have to grease your hands as there is enough oil coming out from the mixture. Make a depression in the middle with your index finger. In the same way, make all the undis. In Tulu language, these are called Pundi Gattis. They are usually served with some spicy chutney and little bit of jaggery syrup. Very light and healthy breakfast. I would really recommend it that you give it a try. Now in a steamer, you can steam these. If you don't have a steamer, you can use this method to steam them. In a larger pan, place this strainer on a wire mesh. Place the undis and steam them. It takes about 8 to 10 minutes. You can check them with your finger whether they are done. Now, once they are done, remove them in a plate. Repeat with the other undis also. Here they are served with some spicy chutney. The recipe of the chutney, I am posting the link in the description box. You can check it out. Make and enjoy this delicious breakfast. If you like the video, you can share it with your friends also. Thanks for watching.